Hello guys, today I'm playing this game. I literally went on itch.io and just searched up, went to tags and then just searched cute, because I wanted a cute fun game to play. I don't know what this game is. It's called Bird by Example, as you can see on the screen. I don't know. I was told it's like Skyrim or something. So I'm just gonna click on bird, see what happens. Ooh. Bird. What do I do now? Ah! Should I hit these guys? What do I do? Ah! No. What's happening? No! Oh no! Do I hit you? What is this? Our bodies are real now. We have needs. This is important for the game, okay? I love how I'm walking. Boy. I'm coming! The pink verb. Flamingo. Speaking of flamingo, my brother's watching that channel, so if you hear that. Ah! I'm strolling down. I'm gonna slap you. Hit ya. Boy! What? Is this a cave? I'm gonna do it. Or I can just start a new game for this. Ah! Sleep? Mortal? Is this gonna turn into like Super Hot, where it looks like a cute fun game then turns into like spooky scary Belladins? Okay, there's a fence. There's a dead bird. I'm not gonna... Oh, it's you. Hi. Who would you think it would be? Hey, there's something in that other way. I saw that. Boy, you're early. Yes, I am. Thanks. Is that compliment? Am I supposed to be doing this? I'm gonna be... What? Does the meaning of this? Okay, so the door won't open. That's great. There's a vent. Can I like go in there? Climbing up the wall. Can I like jump up there? Okay, I'm confused. Can I come out of here? I have so many questions right now, but like a wise man said, yeah, I'm just gonna jump. I don't know who said that. I guess I did. Is that water? Oh, it would be nice if it would be water. Oh, death. I'm back here. Now I'm Bluebird. Hello, I am Blackbird. Board. Okay, that's nice. Is there anything on the back? Nope. You're Blackboard, but you're not a backboard. You. Die now. Oh, you die. Boy, if you don't. Oh, sleep. Mortal. Oh, I'm mortal? It's nice. Is it? Am I gonna die again? Oh yeah, I'm gonna die again. Sleep. Yay. Another cave. I don't know why I'm playing this game. Doesn't even look that fun. Oh, can I like reset my character? Birds. Yay. Oh. I'm gonna go up this hill. I don't know what lies beyond. Birds. Yes, I can tell. Birds. Boing. 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 I'm confused on what even the point of all this is. Like, what's the point of this game? Just rolling around? Can I go to the bottom of that canyon? I hold the Grand Canyon and the Red Burb. Sleep. Didn't say mortal, so am I not mortal anymore? I am God. Might do some other random games just to fill this video up. R.I.P. Burb. Rest in peace, bird. Okay, we'll see you guys. See you guys in the next game. Okay, so hi, I'm playing this. Oh god, I'm gonna have to turn down this volume. I'm trying to press any key. Okay. What this is. Team Laserbeam. Bloody Legend. Can I turn this volume down or something? Okay, I'm just gonna have to deal with that. Dude. What? Hey, Blue? Oh, okay, I haven't seen the first one. This is just snow cones. All I know is that it's a game about two snow cones that love each other again. Hiya. Hi. Yo. I really want to turn down this volume. Can I, like... Okay. I'm turning that down. Hiya. Yo. I'm just gonna do hi. Come on, we want this girl to love us. That's just it? Okay, hi. What's next? How's it going? So bored. I'm just gonna be nice, because I don't actually know how the snow cone's feeling. Like, it looks... I had the best time at the park the other day. What do you do at the park if you're a snow cone? Felt like such a loser. What's a looser? Okay. Me too, I can't wait to hang out again. I don't know what happened at the... Ferris wheel of the park. Maybe I should play the first game. I don't know if I couldn't find the first game. Actually, I didn't look for the first game. Are you free to kick it tonight? I'm scared about that sentence. Yeah. Totally. What's Megadork? I'm totally free. Very free. Very free. I'm just gonna be as optimistic as possible. What would you like to do? What's happening? What's your dream date? No. Okay, so what we know about this character is that he has a crush on him. I mean, her. I don't know. What would you like to do? Y'all. I don't know if they're dating yet. I'm dying to go to the movies. Oh no, the movies. You can pick something. What movies are in? Just popcorn. Movie. Are you gonna pick popcorn? Popcorn! Don't stop. Okay, let's meet outside the movies, 8 p.m. Coninator. Oh, that's a nice pun. turn off that, and then I'm liking this game so far. Better than Bird Game, even though the Bird Game. Have you seen this man? During play, make sure you leave with your toppings on. Okay, I'm confused about this universe. This looks like mustard, this looks like ketchup, and this looks like chocolate, and this looks like blueberry sauce. I like blueberry sauce. Dog. Whenever my mom leaves the house, my dog's immediately like that. These look like Mike and Ike's, and I don't even know what these are. I'm just gonna do Mike and Ike's. What the frick? Dog! What are you doing? Leaf, oh, this looks cute. I should have done the, like, bigger. What the frick's happening? Oh, so I can walk around. Wasting your time one day at a time. Wasting your life one day at a time. Okay, so he's unhappy, you know that. X's. Oh. Why isn't the, like, stuff melting away? I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the background noise. I don't have that much quality. I don't know which way the movies are. I don't know, I'm just walking. No. What's that stuff in my hair? This is so sad. Or, well, it's not sad, but it's just like, I don't like that Toppins leaving. Mall? Wait, why am I in the mall? Oh, I love the animation of the game, so cute. Oh. I'm sorry, excuse me. What? Can I take... Oh, we are at the movies. I don't want to move the kid. Actually, kid. I'm guessing you're a kid because you're smaller. I'm pushing you. Yeah, I'm causing chaos. One cone at a time. Friendship! I'm just push you into a movie. Do I go over to this guy? Okay, hello, mister. Must love marshmallows. Oh, these are all look so cute. I think one's a comedy, one's a action movie, and this is horror, I'm guessing? I don't know, I like comedy movies best, so. What's the one she wants to watch? Yeah. Let's go! Money. 8. What are we doing? What? How do I... Space.
Eternity later.
Yay! Can we watch a movie now? Yay! Tickets! Where shall we go? I'm guessing it's 2. Actually, I'm not guessing. I saw. No, it's 2. Let's walk in the movie. I want to see this. What? 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 What's this? What is this? Kid. Come on. Let's go. Or teach this man why we should get the tickets. Why does he get to have orange hair? Orange. Why do they get to have... What does that guy in the corner get green? Why? So... I'm so triggered right now. Like, I could actually, like, faint and die. I'm not gonna do that in front of my lady friend. I can't open the door. Okay, so we're back to the beginning. Oh. Oh, I pick like cans. So this is so fun. I love this game. Okay, I can stop now. Just pick when you want. I don't really care about the popcorn since I'm not actually eating in real life. I did go to a movie the other day, Toy Story 4. Pretty good. 10 out of 10. Kid Critic wants. Watch. Just do something. Like, lady. What's the other one? This one you seem fine about. Let's go. The second movie's sneak into the third. I'm kidding. Sneak into the third, even though I got this one just so you won. I really didn't want to see this movie. I love this animation so much. Why are you all looking at me? I'm so scared. Why is everyone looking at me? Is this like a planned Star Wars? Because I'd be fine. I thought we saw a different movie. I am confusion. This is actually really fun. Just playing these games. Well, just no. Shushing myself. Get popcorn. Get some. I don't want to risk it. Can I eat myself? I'm gonna do it. Hi. I can't do that. I can just eat it. I swear that they were actually trying to do that. I want all the popcorn. So much more than just one piece. I want all the popcorn. This is the most entertaining movie I've ever seen. Oh my god. Give me the popcorns. If I can't fit all these games into one video, I'm gonna make more videos. Just doing this all. What am I even doing? What am I supposed to do now? Just watch. Am I supposed to like time it right so I can like? Wow, she can pick stuff up. Or she just. Oh. Oh, I'm happy. Am I playing as this Snowcone now? Snowcone? Oh no, I'm just playing as the same one. Come on, let's go. Where are we going now? Movie. News? Old news. Is there like an intense... no! Wait. No, I want more. I want these. What are we even talking about? Are we going to a forest now? I am confusion. Oh. Why am I saying oh? Oh, that's beautiful. Is this it? And it's not it? And there must be something even more beautiful on the side. Please no. This is very uneventful. Okay, I'm not very excited. Hopefully, can we just like skip forward like 5 months? Oh, there's screen shaking. Oh. This is so cute. Is it the end of the game? Thanks for playing. It took us way too long to make. Okay. Turns out we still suck at making games. Stay tuned for another scoop of Frosted in 2025. In the meantime, follow us at Team Laserbeam if you want to be friends. Aww, so cute. Is it over? Okay. Thank you, and I'll see. Thank you for watching this segment, and I'm